Let's start with a real-life story about the power of community. Picture this, a small village in India hit by severe drought. Their only source of water, a well, had completely dried up. But instead of falling into despair, the villagers united. They worked tirelessly, day in and day out, digging deeper into the soil. 1 month later they hit water. This is the embodiment of the strength and resilience of the community. Community. Ever pondered about how different your life could be without the communities you are part of? Communities, whether they're physical neighborhoods, online groups, or social clubs, are the scaffolding of our lives, and they're teeming with fascinating facts and unique cultural practices. For example, let's dive into the vibrant community of Festa Junina in Brazil. This annual celebration blooms with lively music, colorful costumes, and traditional foods like pamonha. This of shared celebration is a cornerstone of their communal life. Meanwhile in Japan, the community indulges in mochitsuki, the traditional mochi pounding ceremony, defining the strength of communal bonds. Closer to home, consider barn raising, a practice common among Amish communities in America, where everyone lends a hand in building a barn for a neighbor, a prime example of unity and mutual assistance. One such story is Jane's. A single mother lost her job during the economic downturn. It was her community that stepped up, offering emotional and practical in the form of childcare, and helping her secure a new job. These stories are not unique but a testament to the power of communities. The strength of unity, the magic of individuals uniting for mutual support. They are like invisible threads weaving us together, creating a tapestry of interconnected lives, shared experiences and mutual aid. Just think about it. Without these communities, many individuals might have been left without the support they needed. But communities aren't just about the individuals in them, are they? Picture a small town not unlike many others. But within this seemingly ordinary town, a story of transformation was about to unfold. At the heart of this story was Alex, an individual whose character and vision would change the face of this community forever. Alex was more than just a resident. They were a beacon of hope and change. They were a listener, an empathizer, and an inspirer. Alex wasn't just seen as a leader, but a friend, a mentor, a visionary. They saw an untouched canvas in the form of a long-neglected park. A place that was once underutilized, abandoned, reduced to a symbol of neglect. Alex, however, could see past the decay. They saw a vision of a vibrant communal space, a place that could bring the community together, where life could bloom anew. With this vision etched firmly in their mind, Alex began their journey. Rallying the townsfolk was no easy task. It required perseverance, patience, and most importantly, the ability to inspire others with their vision. Alex organized cleanup days, planned events, and secured funds for playground equipment. Each step of the way wasn't without its challenges, but with each hurdle, Alex's resolve only grew stronger. Meanwhile, halfway across the globe, in a bustling neighborhood in India, a woman named Asha was creating a similar impact. Asha, a resident painter, transformed the dull gray walls of her community into a living canvas. And then there's Jose from Venezuela, who turned an empty plot of land into a thriving community garden. Our journey, however, ends back with Alex. Their park revamp wasn't just about refurbishing a space, but about creating a hub of community spirit. It was about laughter through the trees, friendships blossoming on park benches, and a community coming together in ways they never had before. The park became the heart of the town, a testament to Alex's leadership, their vision, and their unwavering dedication. They were an inspiration, not only to their community, but to Asha, Jose, and community leaders worldwide. Through their actions, they improved their communities and set a powerful example for others to follow. The legacy of these leaders lives on, in every laughter, every shared story, every communal gathering. So, what does all this tell us about community? Well, we've touched on the power of communities and the role of leadership within them, but let's circle back and tie this all together. Communities are not just about having friends or being part of a group. They're about support and growth. They're about standing shoulder to shoulder with others, navigating life's challenges, celebrating its joys, and fostering growth together. Now let's delve into another significant aspect that enriches our communities: cultural diversity. Cultural diversity brings a wealth of knowledge, experiences, and perspectives into the community, making it vibrant and dynamic. It's like a colorful tapestry, each unique yet contributing to the overall beauty of the design. It helps us broaden our horizons, challenge our biases, and learn new ways of thinking living. In a culturally diverse community, every day isn't to learn something new, to appreciate a different tradition, a different viewpoint. It enriches our lives, widens our understanding, and fosters a sense of global citizenship. Back to the role of leadership. Leadership within these communities is crucial. It guides the collective action, empowers others, and creates an environment where everyone can thrive, including those from diverse cultural backgrounds. Leaders are the torchbearers who light the way, inspiring others to follow and contribute in their unique ways. In essence, communities are more than just groups of people. They're support systems, they're platforms for growth, they're mosaic of cultures, and they're testament to the power of collective action. Without them, our lives would be significantly different and arguably much harder. As the African proverb aptly says, "It takes a village to raise a child." This quote encapsulates the significance and power of community. So, cherish your community, celebrate its cultural diversity, contribute to it, and if you can, lead it. Because in the end, we're all part of something bigger than ourselves. Having seen the power and importance of communities, you might be asking yourself, how can I initiate my own community? Well, fear not. In our forthcoming video, we'll delve deep into the intricacies of establishing a community. We will explore the process of identifying mutual interests, attracting like-minded individuals, and instilling a sense of unity among. We'll also discuss the pivotal role leadership plays in community creation, providing practical advice and techniques to inspire and drive your community members. However, it's vital to remember that community building isn't a one-size-fits-all method. Each community is distinct as it's made up of diverse individuals. Thus, we'll also focus on how to acknowledge and commemorate cultural diversity within your community, ensuring it's a lively, evolving, and rewarding space for all. If you're enthusiastic about uniting people, creating a space where individuals can support and learn from one another, or being part of a cause greater than yourself, stay tuned. Establishing a community may just be the next significant milestone in your journey. And let's not forget, every exceptional community started with a single step, a solitary idea, a lone leader. So don't hesitate to take that step to voice your idea, to be that leader, because who knows, your community could just be the next big sensation. Stay with us for our next video, how to initiate your own community. It's poised to be a game changer. Don't just wait for it. Start brainstorming, take the first steps towards creating your community today. Let's build together. Remember, in the end, communities are all about exploration, learning, and growth. Until then, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep growing, and above all, start building.